Why are lemurs' eyes so big, and why do they look like marbles glowing in the dark? How far can a lemur leap, and what is the deal with the stink bites that lemurs do? Stay tuned to find out. Welcome, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Today is Safari Saturdays and we will discover the lemurs, the amazing primates of Madagascar. Have you ever seen a creature with huge round eyes, a furry body, and a tail longer than its whole body? That's a lemur. Lemurs are some of the most fascinating animals on Earth, and they only live in one special place, the island of Madagascar, off the coast of Africa. Scientists think there are more than 100 different kinds of lemurs. From tiny ones that could fit in your hand to bigger ones that are almost the size of a house cat. The size of a lemur depends on the species. The smallest lemur is the mouse lemur, which is only about 9 centimeters or 3.5 inches and weighs around 30 grams, or about 1 ounce. That is lighter than a slice of bread. The largest lemur, called the indri, can grow up to 70 centimeters or 28 inches tall and weigh about 7.5 kilograms or 16 pounds. That's about as heavy as a bowling ball. Most lemurs have long tails, sometimes much longer than their bodies. Lemurs don't just look cute, they are also strong in their own special ways. They may not be able to lift heavy weights like gorillas, but they are excellent jumpers. Some species can leap more than 6 meters or 20 feet from tree to tree. Imagine jumping across a whole school bus in one bound. Their long legs and powerful muscles make this possible. One thing that makes lemurs stand out is their huge, round eyes. Their eyes are so big compared to their heads that they look almost cartoonish. These eyes are not just for looks. They help lemurs see well in the dark. Many species of lemurs are nocturnal, meaning they are awake at night and sleep during the day. Their eyes shine brightly when a light is pointed at them in the dark, almost like glowing marbles. When lemurs are babies, they cling tightly to their mothers. At first, newborn lemurs ride on their mother's belly, holding on with tiny fingers. After a couple of weeks, they climb onto their mother's back, where they ride piggyback until they are strong enough to jump and climb on their own. Lemur babies are playful, curious, and full of energy. Just like human kids, they practice skills through play, like wrestling, chasing, and climbing. Lemurs are clever. They use their brains to find food, solve problems, and communicate with one another. They don't talk like humans, but they make lots of different sounds. Ring-tailed lemurs can make up to 25 different calls, including meows, chirps, and even barks. Some lemurs also use smell to send messages. They have scent glands on their bodies that produce special smells. Male ring-tailed lemurs even have stink fights. They rub their tails with smelly scent and wave them at each other to see who is tougher. It's both funny and kind of gross. Lemurs eat a wide variety of foods. Many are fruit lovers, but they also eat leaves, flowers, nectar, tree bark, and even insects. Some lemurs, like the eye, have super weird ways of finding food. The eye has an extremely long, skinny finger that it uses to tap on tree bark. It listens for hollow spots where insect larvae might be hiding. Then it gnaws a hole in the bark with its sharp teeth and pokes its long finger inside to pull out the bugs. It's like a built-in bug-catching tool. Even though lemurs live only in Madagascar, they live in many different habitats on the island. Some species live in rainforests full of tall, wet trees. Others live in dry forests where the trees lose their leaves. And some even live in spiny deserts. No matter where they are, lemurs spend much of their time in trees. They are excellent climbers and leapers, using their tails for balance as they move. Lemurs also play an important role in their environment. When they eat fruit, they spread seeds through their droppings. This helps new plants grow and keeps the forest healthy. Without lemurs, Madagascar's forests would look very different. Unfortunately, many lemurs are in danger. The forests of Madagascar are being cut down, and some species are hunted. Scientists say that about 95% of lemur species are at risk of extinction. That makes lemurs some of the most endangered animals in the world. People are working hard to protect them by saving forests, creating national parks, and teaching others about why lemurs are important. Besides their big eyes and playful nature, lemurs have some funny and even gross facts that kids love to hear. One funny thing is that lemurs often sunbathe. In the morning, ring-tailed lemurs sit with their arms spread wide, their bellies facing the sun, almost like they are doing yoga or worshiping the sun. Another odd thing is that lemurs sometimes mark their territory with urine. Yes, they actually pee on their hands and feet, then climb around to spread their smell. It may sound disgusting, but it's their way of saying, "This tree is mine." Lemurs are unique, fascinating, and a little bit silly. They are strong jumpers, clever problem solvers, and playful as kids. With their big eyes, long tails, and strange habits, they are unlike any other animals on Earth. The more people learn about lemurs, the more they can help protect them and make sure these incredible creatures stay around for future generations to enjoy. Thank you for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel.